How to optimize the database via phpMyAdmin in cPanel? Optimization of database boosts performance by reclaiming empty space. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Databases section and click the phpMyAdmin. On the left sidebar, there are databases. Click on the database you want to optimize. Click to check all the boxes in the Table column. Now click on the drop-down list and select Optimize Table. That's it. We have successfully optimized the table. Thank you for watching.